Hi, I am Phumzile Sojola. This is my showbiz story. We're doing Porgy and Bess on Broadway at the Richard Rogers Theater. And at the beginning of the show, they always ask people to turn their phones off. Make sure you don't take pictures, don't videotape, and all that. Just don't distract the performance in respect of, everyone else and, involved. So after they've said all of this, you assume everyone has heard it and everyone would, respect that, the request of the theater. And one day, this man, second row from the stage, he decides to pull out one of these and just start going like this. Click, 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 click. And that's the kind of stuff that makes you shake your head and wonder, didn't they say don't take pictures? And some people, you see them actually taking pictures of the show with their camera, but they're sneaky about it and they do it and they go away. This man pulls out his Kentucky Derby camera and starts taking photos of every scene, and everyone actually wanted some of those pictures. But security comes along and they take him outside, force him to erase every picture. And at the end of the show, at the bows, while we're bowing, the man's face was priceless. He looked so unhappy and mad. He looked like this. But I guess my most recent memory of doing a show was Phantom, because I was just on the national tour of the show. For example, a song like Music of the Night starts quiet and the Phantom is singing to Christine. Nighttime sharpens, heightens its sensation. Quiet. And then from the front row, you hear this. This happens all the time. I don't know why people think that they can't be heard or seen by the performers from the stage. And sometimes the stage is so close you can reach and touch the people in the front row. But this happens all the time. Somebody has the brilliant idea to open their Doritos at the theater during the quietest moments of the show. Really? Now? I think we were in Utah. We're in the middle of the show, and it's not a loud scene where you got dancers stomping, and singing out loud. The orchestra's playing full blast. It's just a quiet moment, and the scene is just going on, and we're telling the story. We're all on stage, about 6 of us, and we hear someone going, and we're like, ain't nobody supposed to be singing that at this scene. And it's someone in the second row, and we look down. This lady has decided she's gonna sing. She's come to see Phantom. She's at the opera. She's gonna sing along. She's gonna sing too. So her husband is like, Beverly, please stop all that singing. There's a show going on right now. You're distracting everybody. They can hear you. The lady says, I want to sing. I came to the opera. I want to sing. She continues to sing. Lady was tipsy. She's bought her ticket. She's come to the opera. The orchestra is close enough. She's gonna bust out. Well, those are the things that we experience as actors looking at the audience. I am Phumzile Sojola. This is my showbiz story. Thank you.